The emergency room doors burst open. A critical car accident victim was rushed in, barely alive. Sarah, the lead nurse, looked down at his face and froze. This was the drunk driver who killed her little brother 5 years ago. She could do the bare minimum. Let someone else take over. No one would question it. Instead, she did something that shocked everyone in that room. She worked harder than she ever had before, used every skill, every technique, every ounce of her training to save his life. Her colleagues watched in disbelief as she fought for the man who destroyed her family. He survived. Months later, when he learned who had saved him, everything changed. He got sober, became an addiction counselor, started a foundation in her brother's name. That foundation has now prevented dozens of families from experiencing the same tragedy. Sarah's choice to choose healing over revenge didn't just save one life, it transformed her grief into purpose and created a ripple effect that continues today. Sometimes the hardest choice becomes the most powerful one.